I threw my bell box. Are you still videotaping?
How you doing?
You are amazing, man.
Man, I didn't know they was gonna do that, man.
No, you know what? My wife and I just said we were watching how happy you guys were, and I thought I just want to go hug them.
Really?
You know, this world's so full of garbage, and
Yeah.
people are carrying nasty stuff on them all the time, and it seems like the whole world's losing its mind.
Yeah.
Everyone's made in the image of God and has value, and it's like some
Yeah.
people won't let us love them.
Yeah, that's so true.
And it's like you just amazing. You guys are, I'm sure you are too.
Oh, brother, I love you, man. Thank you.
I love you too, man.
Thank y'all for this. That was
You're
just
making
great.
a dent, you know. There's a principle within Judaism that's called tikkun olam,
Okay.
and all it means is to make your corner of the world a better place.
Oh,
Wherever you
wow.
are, it's just make your corner of the world a better place. You don't have to fix the whole world.
Come on,
Just
man.
work on one little
That
corner.
is so awesome.